A garage door may not be the first thing you think about when it comes to home upgrades, but according to national research, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Welcome to Local Living. I'm Brian Thomas, and today we're visiting homeowners Darlene and Walter Furler in Henderson to hear about their experience with A-Plus garage doors. And joining us is the founder and CEO of the company, Carrie Kelsch. Thank you so much for having us out and telling us about your garage door. So tell us about the new garage door you have and how was your experience?
Oh yeah, we've been pretty happy with it and everything. It's because it's been quiet and because it's insulated, it seems to keep it cooler in here because it gets pretty hot. And what we had before, somebody did sort of a Mickey Mouse type of installation, yeah. So, but anyway, this has been very good, and like I said, our remote even seems to be working better and everything.
Excellent, and you just opened it up a few minutes ago to get the van out, and it sounded very quiet as well.
Yes, it was.
Right. So Walter, you're very happy about the insulation. You even mentioned that there's no light coming through. So
that's right. It's a good seal on the bottom.
It definitely looks like it. And then you were very happy about the price.
Oh yeah. It was a good price on it, and we didn't have to do a lot of dickering on it at all.
No?
They were all straightforward on what they told us. They followed up with it.
Excellent. And so, Carrie, this is a very, it's a good investment for your home. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, so you have a lot of things you can invest on in your home, and it will give you a good return on your investment. Say remodeling your kitchen or remodeling a bathroom, replacing your roof. But out of all of the things that you can remodel on your house, your garage door brings the highest return on investment, which is 268% return on that investment. Wow. One of the things that we do recommend is that you do a lube and tune once a year to keep that door running smooth and to keep investing in your investment. And to do that, you'll want to have somebody come out and check all of the tracks, check the rollers, and spray some lube, and they'll tighten up any loose bolts. You want to make sure that the track's running smooth. In order to do that, you would have to be able to call a professional, right? So we are offering a special, which is $49 for this lube and tune. You're regularly $89. Make sure that when you do have somebody come out, that they do know what they're checking for, and they are tightening up any loose bolts and cleaning up the tracks.
So if they mention this segment, Local Living, they'll get that $49 special. And that's normally $89. Yeah. So see the deal you're getting right now? Look at that. Get on that. A-Plus Garage Doors. Mention again, Local Living. You get that $49 garage tune-up. It's normally $89. They're open 24 hours too, so if you need them in the middle of the night, they're there for you. They got a showroom too, 3272 East Sunset Road, number 150. That's the corner of Sunset and Pecos. Call them, 702-637-3577. They're also online, aplusgaragedoor.com. Darlene, Walter, and Carrie, thank you so much for having us out today and sharing your experience with us.
Yeah, and the installer was very good.
Excellent.
Came out, he was very proficient.
Very happy customers right here. And thank you for watching Local Living. We'll see you next time.